Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really lovely countertop wine holder. Now this is actually a wine cooler that actually can cool it down to 46 degrees up to 65 degrees depending on exactly where you want that precise setting. Very quiet, 35 decibel sound means you can put this pretty much anywhere because it is so quiet I can barely hear it running now. It does have a nice fan that does run to circulate that cool temperature and does hold up to 6 bottles of wine. It does have the ability to have these adjustable and removable shelves. It's already getting cold in there, so I can feel that. We haven't had it plugged in very long, so that's nice. They can go in normal, or you can certainly nose them in if you're wanting to kind of adjust it up and kind of mix things up a little bit on there as well. It does have a really nice light function on this as well, so when you turn that on at night, it actually has a blue LED light up there that actually kind of illuminates through the wines and allows you to see that, which is a really cool feature. Other buttons that gives you indications on the front here, super intuitive, easy to use. Switch from Fahrenheit to Celsius. I've got it in Fahrenheit. It's currently at 61 degrees. You can adjust the temperatures up or down, and a nice handle that's here on the top to grab that to easily open that up and close it. Very lightweight design, very quiet operation, and does have some adjustable feet on the bottom of this, so if you did need to adjust it, if you're in an unstable setting, you could certainly do that. Again, back is ventilated, very nice case. Everything seems to be very well built with this. So aside from the fact that this is a compact design that you can store pretty much anywhere, this will allow you to have a great wine experience, a wine night, and you can even put this right by your table for whenever you're serving your guests. It'll make a nice addition to anybody's home. Thank you guys again for sending it.